Hey guys, what's up? JD from JD Tech TV here, and we're back with your favorite series, the Best Tech series, where I discuss some incredible tech for under a certain price point. Today I have the best tech under 20 for you, and as always, there is a chance for you to win something from this video. Details for how to win will be given at the end of this video, so make sure that you stay right until the end to find out everything that you need to know to win an amazing prize. But if you want to go ahead and get started on winning, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and smash that like button while you're down there. First up, we're starting with this ultra portable, ultra affordable, and ultra loud speaker from RioDo. If you saw my recent What's in My Tech Bag video, I talked about how this speaker actually really impressed me. Now, I reviewed and featured a ton of these small portable speakers this size, but not a single one has ever sounded this good. This little guy has a 5-watt driver, which is huge for something this size. It's IPX7 certified, which means it's completely waterproof, and it has a 12-hour battery life. And you know what? Enough of this stat sheet read up. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you exactly what this thing can do. Let's go ahead and play a song here. This is from this tiny little thing. How crazy is that? You couldn't really tell from the video, but this thing was shaking my hand like crazy. The bass that comes out of this is insane. And because this is Bluetooth, you can take it with you anywhere that you go. You know, you can take it in the shower with you can take it to the beach, or you can bring it to Nana's birthday party, you know, like normal places to where you would bring Bluetooth speakers and stuff. What? No? Divorce? But if the speakers that you own don't have Bluetooth capabilities, then what you need is this little Bluetooth adapter from Logitech. Basically, this allows you to play music through your phone straight to your home speakers or even your desktop speakers by simply connecting them to this device via aux cable or left and right RCA cables. This thing is super tiny. It's easy to tuck away or just go unnoticed on a desk, and an overall great addition to your setup. With just a click of a button, it automatically pairs to your speakers, and you can connect to it with your phone to listen to music, play a movie, or you can do what I've been doing, which is playing some mobile games using my desktop speakers. The game that I've been playing most recently, and actually for a while, is Vikings World of Clans. And if you haven't played this game before, what are you doing with your life? This game brings me back to those top-down strategy games from the 90s and 2000s that I'd poured hours of my life into. But now it's finally on mobile, so you can play it on a 5-minute break from work or school. Vikings lets you rule in your own way, crushing neighboring lands with your trained soldiers, fortifying your base and let them dare to come to you, or use your diplomacy skills to rule overall. Play Vikings for 5 minutes and you'll see why me and 20 other million players can't put it down. So don't waste time. Install Vikings right now and use the links in the description below, and you will get 200 gold, a protective shield, and your place in Valhalla for free. And a very special thank you to Vikings for supporting the JD Tech TV community. What was I talking about? Lights. Next up is this desk light from Tommen. It's perfect for those who want to bring a little style to their setup. I absolutely love this light. It comes in different colors like black and white, but this light green just gives that small pop of color that I was looking for. You can plug in a regular light or do what I did and add an RGB smart bulb to really pull the whole thing together. I am absolutely crazy about unique lighting, and this one from Tommen's gives that perfect combination of those Pixar vibes and just something that truly stands out. And speaking of stands, I have this laptop stand from Jarlink, which is perfect for those looking to tidy up your setup and add a little organization to your life. As much as I love having a powerful MacBook Pro to edit on the go, when I'm at home, I prefer to hook it up to a monitor and use a keyboard and mouse. This stand gives me a perfect way to do that, and they even have a version that has this little groove on the front to place your tablet, phone, or even a keyboard when you're not using it. It's made of all metal and has some serious weight to it, so you can be sure that anything that you set into it will be safe and protected, because seriously, good luck tipping this thing over. And as we all know, keeping your expensive electronics protected is a top priority. Well, at least it should be. It's like those people who don't put a case on their cell phone. Like, it's giving me anxiety just thinking about it. Oh my God, I don't know how they do it. Ugh. But if you want to go ahead and tell that anxiety to go and kick rocks, and if you're a Nintendo Switch owner, then this case from Orsley is for you. This is a great travel hardshell case and has an extra flap on the inside to both protect the screen as well as house some extra games. It has a compartment up top to hold cables, extra Joy-Cons, or whatever you need. And its form factor is nice and slim for easy storage while giving plenty of padding on the inside to protect your Nintendo Switch. This is This is definitely a must-have for any Nintendo Switch owner. Well, that's it. Thank you so much for watching another Best Tech episode on JD Tech TV. But before we go, let's go ahead and reward everyone who stayed until the end of the video with giving you all the details you need to win this giveaway. I'll have all the steps listed in the description down below, but I'll go ahead and tell you them now. One, make sure to hit that subscribe button, not that one, but the one that's down below. And while you're down there, hit that little notification bell that's next to it so you can be the first to know when one of my new videos goes live. Also, smash that like button and head down to the comment section and let me know what your favorite piece of tech was and why you would want it. That's very important. Also, it's not a rule in the giveaway or anything, but if you engage with other people in the comment section, like respond to their comments, it may or may not help you win the contest in my mind. Just saying. But once you've done all that, make sure to hit that Gleam contest link in the description down below so you can complete all of your entries. And once you're there, you do have the option to gain more entries within the contest. Basically, the more entries you have, the better chance you have of winning. The winner of last month's Best Tech episode was announced on my Twitter account, so make sure that you're following me so you can find out if you won last month's contest or if you win this month's contest. Well, that's it. Thanks again for watching, and as always, I'll see you soon.
You can tell me.